Welcome to another video from the Healthy by Nature channel. Here you will find tips and information on how to stay strong and healthy both physically and mentally. For that, just sign up. It won't cost more than a few seconds only. Also activate bell and you will be notified whenever we release a video. Leave your like and share with more people, so everyone will have access to more knowledge. Hello. Today we will talk about a diet in which it is recommended to consume only natural foods of animal and vegetable origin, as they provide the nutrients necessary for the body to function properly. The Paleo Diet. The Paleolithic diet, from which the Paleo Diet was inspired, was based on this same premise, eating only foods that could be hunted or gathered and also encouraging fasting, since hunting was not possible due to lack of energy, outside of daytime hours. It is a diet rich in foods of animal origin, all types of meat and eggs, roots and tubers, potatoes, cassava, yams, etc., leaves, fruits, vegetables and all available oilseeds, soy, peanuts, and nuts. Due to advances in technology and the general level of nutritional research, there are many options for nutritional strategies that have been developed over time. However, our ancestors did not have access to everything we have today: electricity, food industry, technology, etc. Therefore, they had to hunt and prepare food immediately, as its conservation was limited. The Paleo diet is a diet that focuses on a lower consumption of carbohydrates, very similar to the ketogenic and low-carb diets, with priority given to the consumption of proteins and fats. It has the particularity of not necessarily taking into account the calorie count that will be arranged in the planning, as it prioritizes consumption in its most natural form possible, reducing the consumption of chemical additives, which are added to processed foods. The high consumption of vegetables and fruits, which are the main sources of vitamins and minerals, contribute to the proper functioning of our body, especially the health of the gastrointestinal tract, due to their high fiber content. It can be an excellent strategy for weight loss, if designed individually and within the individual's routine. However, because we do not use industrialized or processed foods, each meal requires a certain amount of time to prepare. For the same reason, if an individual is not organized, his integrity will have a very short shelf life and he is likely to waste food. Due to its high fat content, it can cause weight gain if not done under professional supervision. Because the Paleo diet is low in carbohydrates, it is not particularly suitable for people who engage in high-intensity activities. Because carbohydrates are the main source of energy for muscles. The Paleo diet is based on foods that come from nature in their most natural and fresh forms. Leaves, for example, lettuce, arugula, spinach, water lettuce, etc. Vegetables, pumpkin, beets, carrots, eggplant. Lean meats, chicken, fish, and some cuts of beef, duckling, rump, filet mignon. Whole eggs. Roots and tubers, cassava, potatoes, yams, etc. Oilseeds, walnuts, almonds, peanuts. Fruits, all. Coffee and tea, no added sugar. How to start the Paleo diet. Vary your vegetables. There is a wide variety of vegetables, so you can use them equally, make combinations and diversify the dish to avoid monotony. Eat fruit, but not too much. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, it is recommended to consume 3 to 5 servings per day. Be careful not to add excess fat when cooking. Choose cooked, fried or baked foods. Salads and fruits are eaten raw. The use and abuse of natural seasonings can give a special touch to your dishes. The quality of your diet will improve, but you won't need to eat less. Provide enough energy for the body to function properly. The Paleo diet is known as the fair diet, so pay attention to seasonal vegetables and fruits to ensure better quality and lower prices. The Paleo diet can offer many benefits to its followers, but like any other diet, it must be monitored and administered by a professional. If you're looking for a cleaner lifestyle without processed foods, this could be for you. And then? Did you like this content? Was it relevant? Added more value and knowledge? Post here in the comments and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell so you don't miss any notifications. Share with friends and relatives so that more people have access to this content. Leave your like, so YouTube understands that this information is relevant and makes it reach more people, so that everyone enjoys more health. Live a full life, face your challenges with faith, eat right, move with joy and walk hand in hand with happiness. Until the next video.